Hey everyone, it's Christine. Here's what's going on at Restore Therapy Spa for May 2023. The first thing, we're super excited. We finally started our vitamin injection and IV infusion therapy. You can start booking for those, and we have a full menu of all of our injections and infusions available at the front desk, also in the back by the infusions, and you can find it on our website. Also, our new massage chairs are not just for IV therapy. You can now book them as a basic service. These massage chairs are amazing. They have zero gravity function. There's full body compression, lower back heat, foot roller massage, back roller massage, neck kneading. You can actually customize each part of it to your exact specifications. And for all of our monthly membership holders, we're giving you the opportunity to try our massage chair for free for the entire month of May. So if you haven't done that yet, make sure you see the front desk and book your free massage chair session. Just our way of saying thank you for being a monthly member and supporting our small business. We also have a new service from Corey. She is offering one-on-one personal training Pilates sessions. Pilates is all about core strength and breath work and very small controlled movements. So it's great as a low impact exercise. Our featured service of the month is our nano needling facial infusion. This is an amazing service, and it's our version of a non-acid peel. So instead of wounding the skin and traumatizing the skin using harmful chemicals, we actually infuse the skin with a high dose of vitamin A and custom skin actives that are chosen for your particular skin type. And we use a special nano needling tool to drive these infusion ingredients deep into your skin, and it actually encourages rapid cell turnover from the inside out. So it's an effective facial peel without the peeling. It will not interfere with your everyday life. You can still go to the gym, you can sit in the sauna, you can go outside, you don't have to hide in your house for a week. The only rule is that you must wear sun protection. Speaking of our nano needling infusion, we are offering that as part of our brand new limited time glow package. In this package is your nano needling infusion, 1 body gommage hydrating and exfoliating treatment, 4 biotin shots or a glow IV infusion, and your choice of 4 sessions of Saluma or infrared sauna. This package was designed to help you glow from head to toe. It has a $663 value, and we are offering it to you for only $399. So definitely check that out. It's available to purchase online or at the front desk all month long. One more way we're helping you glow this season is we're offering you a free biotin injection with a $150 purchase of Osmosis skincare or wellness products. If you guys could do us a huge favor and like our new Facebook page, that would be great. You can go to facebook.com/RTS Westminster. That's our new page. Please dislike our old one and like our new one. Unfortunately, the old one was hacked. It's no longer under our control, so we had to start over from scratch. We would love to be able to continue to communicate with you guys through social media. So that's what's going on at the spa this month. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, don't hesitate to ask the front desk. As always, thank you for telling a friend. Thank you for writing Google reviews, and we'll see you next time. Be well.